Hello friends, today I would like to teach you how to install and configure the domain controller in our server. The purpose of this lesson is to install role and feature of the domain controller and Active Directory service. Because this is very important because it's used to manage the user and identify the user identity and also uh, manage the network. In short, we can say that if we have share folders and then we need to allow the user in our domain to access our share folder or to access our server. So to do first everyone needs to go to network. We need to change IP first everyone. uh, the machine I already changed. So the machine I'm going to do it as our domain controller. So I put the IP here. You can go IP4, and then you can add IP. Here is the IP of our domain controller. You can add. Okay. Okay. After we add IP, now we go to Window Server Manager here. You can go here, Server Manager, and then you go to Tool. Okay. After you go to Tool, oh, this one you can go to my next. Sorry, A1. You can go next, add role and feature, or you can go here. The same. Okay, add role and feature. Next, next. Okay, so this page will show the name of our Windows server. I put Win 2029 DC1. This is our IP address. And then next. Okay, so here what we are going to add the service. Here is add Active Directory domain name service. Okay. So everyone, if you don't understand what is Active Directory domain name service, you can see its description here. It store information about the object on the network and make the information available to users. Okay. And then I will add the ACC server also from here. I add all these service because all of these are important. So in this video, I will configure three these service: ADDS, DNS server, and DHCP server. And then I want click next. Okay, next, 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 install. So this one we need to wait until it finish. Okay, so let it finish. So if the service have been successfully installed, it will show the message or alert the message over here. Okay, so everyone, so in this message, you see, they said configure required installation succeed on Windows Server. So for this one, you can promote your server to domain controller now, or you can close it. So it depends on you. So in this video, I will promote the server to our domain controller. If we just add the service and we don't promote it to domain controller, it cannot. Okay, now so I promote here, promote. Okay, so this one it have three options. I won't be detail on that. So this one we add a domain controllers to an existing domain, means that we have a domain controller and then we add another domain controller. So this one we will study in the next video. So what we are required to do is we do here add a new forest. Okay, we add a new forest. So this one we need to add the name of our server, the domain, for example, like facebook.com. So here the domain. So here you can add your organization's domain. So in here, I will add, yeah, became tech IT, okay, or you can tech IT, okay, techit.com, something like that, okay, and then next. Okay, so this one it will going to install. Now it's deployment the configurations. So you can wait. Okay, so here is the password we can put when we want to restore our directory in the future. We can also put a password over here. So this one I done change. Okay, I done change. I put forest level Windows Server 2026 and domain level also 2020 server 2026. Okay, I put this the same. Okay, so I put the password. So this password you can put any, you can put the same as your login password, or you can put another password. It is okay. So next, okay, and then you just click next. Okay, so you can wait a bit. So here the name tech IT. Okay, so we don't do anything. We go next. Okay, so here cvol and also the database folder and log folder. I don't need to change to next. Next. Okay, so it will install our service. So you just wait. So this one, they will check if there are any fail. It will alert here. Okay, so you click install. Okay, our window is Windows Server 2019 install. One here I install on the real machine. So when it is required to restart or shut down, so it will be disabled. So we just wait until it finishes for this one. In this video, I don't short it. I will let it finish so that we can see the error, what are the errors, and how to fix those errors. Okay. Okay, so it will show our PC is going to sign out because the service is about to install and success. You can see it's success. Okay, so it will restart. So after it's pop up back, I will show you everyone. Okay, because now the service already restarted. Okay, now my physical server has been restarted. Due to we add three service ADDS, DNS server and the HP server. Okay, when it's back, I'm going to remote and see how it's work. Okay, I log in and see it. Okay, you want to see? So this one it is starting and now it welcome back. So everyone, so this one it will be take longer to start up. So I will pause it first. Okay, when it will start and successfully, I will continue this video. Okay. Yes, everyone, now it finished. So when it's finished, we can see. Okay, now uh, now I go to check if it works. Okay, right click property. Okay, you see everyone here. They already set our windowdc.touchit.com. So this one has become the domain. Here is our domain touchit.com. So this one have already be the domain controllers. So it's success. Okay, so I will tell you and teach more in the next video about how to creating the Active Directory user and groups. Okay, bye bye.